Have you ever felt like your SEO efforts are just a waste of time because you're not seeing results fast enough? Maybe you've poured months into optimizing your Google business profile or building backlinks, but the phone still isn't ringing. Most business owners quit right there, and that's the biggest mistake you can make. I'm Ryan Salson, founder of Accelerate Marketing. For 16 years or more, I've helped hundreds of businesses climb Google rankings and generate millions in revenue with SEO, Google local service ads, and Google business profile optimization. And in this video, I'm going to share a real story about why patience in search engine optimization pays off and why quitting too soon could cost you the results you're working so hard for. Point one, SEO doesn't work on your timeline. Here's the problem. Most people expect instant results from search engine optimization like they would from running ads. But search engine optimization is a long game. It's like planting a tree. You don't get fruit the first month or even the first year. But when the roots are established, it produces results for years to come. In this case study, the business owner almost gave up right before their rankings started to climb. If they had quit, they would have lost the compound effect of everything they had already invested. So the real question is, how long are you willing to wait before your work pays off? This business stayed the course, posting content, optimizing their Google business profile, and keeping their SEO strategy consistent even when results were flat. Then suddenly the rankings began to jump. Why? Because Google rewards consistency. The algorithm needs time to trust you. And just when you think nothing's gonna happen, your authority starts to take root and visibility skyrockets. Have you ever noticed that the businesses dominating your local search results are usually the ones that have been showing up for years? That's not a coincidence. Patience is ROI. The lesson here is simple. SEO success often happens after most people quit. If you stop too early, you've wasted both time and money. If you keep going, the payoff can be massive and long-lasting. Think about it like this. Would you walk away from an investment that compounds over time just before the growth curve takes off? But that's exactly what many business owners do with SEO. So the question you should be asking here is, are you going to quit before the breakthrough? Or are you willing to stay patient and reap the rewards? How to stay the course without going broke. Now, patience doesn't mean doing the wrong things forever. It means sticking with proven strategies long enough for them to work. Here's what you should focus on. Keep your Google business profile optimized with fresh content and updated photos and posts. Continue gathering reviews consistently and often. Monitor your rankings monthly, not daily, to see the long-term trend. And diversify. SEO is powerful, but pairing it with Google local service ads or paid search can give you leads now while your SEO matures. This way, you stay profitable while building a long-term asset that compounds. If you want to see exactly where your SEO stands and how close you might be to that breakthrough, my team can put together a free audit of your Google business profile and/or your Google local service ads pages. Just text the word audit to 619-304-5155 and my team will give you a full breakdown. You'll know exactly what's working, what's not, and how to move forward with confidence. You can also learn more at accelerateyourmarketing.com. Remember, SEO rewards patience. Don't quit too soon.